Hey guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials. Eventually, we'll do body paint tutorials. Honestly, I'm gonna have some up next week, but that's not the point for this video. We're doing a blue smoky eye. Now, if you clicked on this video, you probably know what you're getting into. There are a few things to make blue and smoky not look crazy, and I am going to be showing them to you. One thing you want to do is get a blue eyeshadow that doesn't suck. I used the one from the Sephora Pro palette, and I kind of hate it, like, a lot. As you can see, like, it was kind of patchy and whatever. No. It worked a little bit better when you had a stiffer brush, but I still really wasn't a fan. I wound up using this blue eyeshadow from the Huda Gemstone Obsessions palette. And yeah, it looks so beautiful, especially when you put a little bit of glitter glue down. Ooh, it looks good. And then right after I did this video, because I was, this is when I was depotting everything, I dropped it on the floor, and it shattered all over the place. It was lovely. That's the story of my life. But like I said, I went ahead, and where I put the glitter glue, I packed on this blue eyeshadow. And since it has kind of that foily texture, the glitter glue kind of just emphasized that a little bit. If you want to emphasize it even more, you can always use like a little bit of Fix Plus on your brush and get it wet. You can use something like Inglot Duraline, which you guys at this point know is one of my favorite products to make liquid liners with. You know, you have some options with how you can make it kind of work with what you want to do. And then I just took a blending brush and blended the blue from the Huda palette into the blue from the Sephora palette, because I already put blue on my eyeballs and I'm gonna make this work. Sometimes though, it doesn't work. You just kind of have to like live with it and just start over. It happens. Now, this part is kind of optional. With any blue eyeshadow, you definitely don't want to bring it down too far, because then that's how you look crazy. You want to work in smaller sections. So if you feel like putting blue on your lower lash line is a little bit too much, totally feel you. If you want to do it, definitely don't do your concealer and stuff first like I did. That's how you look like you have a black eye. And then for the eyeliner, I swear I'm going to have a full video on how to do eyeliner eventually. This is gonna be a running joke on my channel because how long have I been saying that? Anyway, so one tip I definitely have is to draw the outer triangle for your wing first, then color it in, then line the rest of your eye. That's like the teal deer version. And for this liner, I used a little bit of Inglot Duraline, which nobody should be surprised about. And some orange eyeshadow. I'll have all the links for everything listed in the description probably tomorrow. If you're watching this the day it comes out, definitely tomorrow. But yeah, just work in smaller sections, and if you have more hooded eyes, you definitely want to make sure that you're looking straight into the mirror, kind of like you were talking to somebody, so you can see how much of your wing will show when you're looking at somebody, because most people are not going to be looking down all day, you know what I mean? So that way it might not look like completely perfect when your eyes open, but at least when you're looking at somebody, you'll have that nice shape. It'll give you a little bit of lift. Now I'm going to put on some mascara. I wound up skipping the lashes this time. Shocker, I know. But if you guys want a video on how to apply false lashes, if you want to do that, I'll have that linked in the cards up above as well. And then I forgot, and I went in with some white eyeshadow, just in the inner corner to kind of brighten it up, because I felt like it was looking a little too, like, Kirsten didn't sleep for like 6 months kind of look, you know. And then once I did that, I applied kind of like a nudie lipstick, but it shows up way pinker on camera. Like, it's a nude that has some pink in it, but it's like really pink in here. I just applied that. You can do like a regular nude if you want. If you want to go full on, you can do like an orange or a blue. Those would look cool too. But that is basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had a lot of fun doing it. And let me know what else you guys want to see on this channel. I am all up for requests. I have one that I kind of put off for a while that's coming up later this week. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.